So we have a mom cat trying to save their kitten's life. Oh, look at this small kitten. Come on. Oh man, look at it. It's the size of a human hand. Jesus, kid. So, but why did the cat just jump into the guy's car and with her kitten? What's happening, man? Asking for help? Jesus, kid. Look at this, man. Very small kitten. Come on. So where are the others? Jesus, kid. Just taking one by one. Very small. They are just born? They were just born? Look at this lovely mother. She's so tired. Run away after placing the kids in the car. Come on. Oh, okay. Yeah, so she's taking one by one to this man's car. She's so smart. Look at this beautiful kitten. Freaking and shaking. Come on. There are more. Come on. My friend, you could help her, huh? You could follow her and take all the kittens together. So the mother didn't need to go and come back. She's tired, man. But okay, let's wait. Jesus, kid. Yeah, she's a protective mom. One more kitten. I mean, now we have 6 kittens. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 6 kittens. Yeah. That's it. Come on. Feed this mother. Be careful, man. Be careful. Don't do this anymore. Yes. Just follow her. These kittens are in danger. I understand now. Oh, no. Come on, man. You gotta take it to the vet. As soon as possible. I mean, now. One of her kittens had already lost its life due to the cold weather. Come on. Poor mother. It was clear that the mother cat didn't want to lose any more of her babies, of course. We have, 9 babies. So now, let's take them to a vet, please. Come on, hurry, man, hurry. Good, man. Leave some water for them. She's thirsty. Come on, drink some water, baby. Please eat a little bit. That's it. Good mother. These stories are call to action for everyone. Stray animals like this brave mother cat need our compassion and support. Of course, man. So now let's take them to the vet. Please just do not waste more time. Let's do this. Come on, hurry, man. Hurry. Okay. He's preparing the cage. That's it, man. He has to do it very carefully so the cat didn't bite him, you know? This man has to show this mother cat that she can trust him. Although she already showed that she trusts him, but this man has to prove it to the end. Good job, man. Good job. That's it. That's it. Great job. Now let's take them to the vet. Come on. Great job, man. Nice. Good, man. That's why we just created this YouTube channel, is to save animals' life all around the world. So if you're watching this video, trust me, you are helping us. If you can donate any amount of money, you can help us too. You can donate via coffee.com, which is better than Patreon, because you can donate once and never more, or you can donate it monthly, any amount, just like $1, $5, I don't know. It's up to you. And when we achieve 500 subscribers here in this YouTube channel, we can open the super thanks and the membership. So if you want to help us, if you like this kind of content of rescued pets, just please subscribe to this channel, leave a comment. It's gonna help us very, very much. Look all these cats. How much cats? Luna. So they named her Luna. That's it, Luna. Luna and their 9 kittens. She's so beautiful. They are so beautiful together. That's it. I love when the rescuers don't try to do it by themselves, but take the pets to a vet, because there's nothing better than a professional that knows what he's doing with professional procedure, you know, and the tools. That's it, man. That's why I always say, please, if you find an animal, take it to the vet, not to your house. Take it to the vet to see if everything's okay with the animal. That's it. Come on, they're fighting with each other? No, it's the mother's sense of protection. That's it, man. No matter what kind of species, mothers are always going to protect or have this sense of protection with their kittens, with their offspring. Look at this guy here. That's it. So we have one kitten that was sick. Oh, beautiful moment. Come on. The mother cat is tired. Luna is tired, man. You can see. But you're safe now. That's what we like to see in this channel. You know, happy endings. We just love happy endings. That's why we've created this channel. Just see more of this, but in real life all around the world. That's it, man. I love happy endings like this. So I'd like to thank the guy that saved her and saved the kittens. Thank you very much, man. You did a great job. Thank you very much. And if you're watching this video till now, just leave a comment if you're enjoying this kind of content, if you want to see more successful rescues just like these. And if you can donate, okay, the link is in the pinned comment. If you just cannot donate, don't worry, just like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Let's share hope and love throughout the world. That's it. Yes, man. She's a hero. Luna is a hero. Yeah. And they're gonna grow stronger and stronger and stronger. Yes, man. Mother's love knows no boundaries. That's it. Yeah, this is a magical moment. That's it. Happy endings. That's what I like to watch in this channel. So my friends, thank you for watching. And see ya.